Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put pictures in the comments. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we will need just to open our TikTok application and just tap on it, and then we will need to be logged in our account. So make sure you see in your profile here. So you make sure that you are logged in to your account. After that, we need just to go to any post so we can share our comments. And basically, for example, we have this post or any other post will do the work. So let's just click on the comments section, and here we can see all the comments. And as you can see, if I'm going to add comment, there is only my profile picture and these emojis and place where I can tag other people and where I can send gifts. As you can see, there is no picture button or picture set here. So the thing is that you cannot put picture on comments, but you can reply by picture or by sending videos, etc. So basically, the thing to reply, all you need to do is to comment any dot or anything, and then you will need just to reply to yourself with a picture or anything. And here you need just to click on the camera, and basically, you will need just here, we will find photo, text, and templates, etc. So basically, we'll go back. I'll go just and choose photo, click on the camera, and also you can upload your pictures. You can upload from any variety of pictures. So you can choose, for example, this one. You can edit on it as you are doing with any other post. So I'm just going to do like that. You can add some text, some emojis. You can do whatever you like with this image. Then you will need just to click on next and post it. And basically, answers or replies on comments are only posts that are put in the comments. So you will need just to accept the confirmation of post video or the picture. And then if I go back to the comment section and I go here, it should be, let's wait and go to the profile, go back so we can have a refreshed comment section, and let's go to our profile. We can see here this comment here. This is the comments that we have replied, and this is the picture that we have created. So basically, this is how you can set or put picture on comments. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.